Yeah, CB Ayala Construction. Yeah, we build it right, we make it strong.
Dining area. Ah, so ito, demolish na to. Demolish na rin tong kitchen. Tanggalin na tong cabinets. Dito maglalagay lang ng tambol all around. Yan, all around. Okay. And then sa bathroom, papalitan ang pintuan. Palit ang tiles, pati sanitary wares. Kitchen, ceiling pala, palitan ng ceiling. Pero kailangan maayos muna yung leak. Also, maglagay ng maliit na exhaust fan. Maglagay ng shower enclosure glass na. Alright. Okay. Ito, palitan na rin ng door jamb to. Bagong pintuan na to, set. Ito, tanggal na to. Okay. Ngayon, sa bedroom, maglalagay din dito ng drop ceiling na ano lang, box all around. Paint, and then may pin lights. Cabinets, palitan na. Also painting. Kitchen, PVC ceiling, same sa living room. Cabinets, palitan. Palitan lahat ng kitchen cabinet, kitchen counter. Okay, palitan ng maliit na exhaust fan. Ito, paint lang to. So ito, maintain, paint lang. And change the cabinet. Okay.
Ano po? Ni-sketch na po ni Architect Ayala.